Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are back here in the hotel and we just finished our short trip in Game State, Singapore. So you can check out their details in their website. And we purchased two boosters, loose ones, Heroclix, Spider-Man Beyond Amazing, and Avengers60th. So unfortunately, they did not have the recent sets like Wheels of Vengeance. So we had to settle for these two, which is fine. Always good to buy boosters. Okay, so let's check out who we get. Let's open first this one, Avengers60th. Okay, I've opened a lot of this, so there's really no one here that I'm looking for. I just wanted to resolve my itch to open Heroclix. Okay, so anyway, I hope we get something that we can trade or sell for X-Men or Wheels of Vengeance figures. And we have, see, we have here Hulk, the Hulk rare. Who's this one? Leader, Grandmaster, Monica Chan, and Captain America. Okay, so good. I've had multiple Hulks before, but I was able to trade him. So he is a good trade piece. Hulk. Okay, would have been greater if it's a Prime Hulk. Anyway, so the next one is the SMBA. So are we lucky enough to get at least a super rare for loose boosters? We'll find out in 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. We have Venom, common, Spider-Man. I see a bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is always good. We have rare Doctor Strange, but we have an equipment. I forgot about equipment in SMBA. We have boomerangs. Okay, so not a lot of value there, I guess, but okay, take a look at that Doctor Strange. Okay, boomerangs. So thank you very much for the reaching this last part of the quick unboxing. I'm going to bed now as it is too late here. Bye bye.